I'm now well over halfway through our promo code for the funnels, so we're definitely going to sell out. We are running out of budget fast. This Flexi funnel, everybody gives us good feedback on it. It's temperature resistant. It cleans up with just a quick clean of damp cloth. It can fold into any sort of shape that you want, and it'll keep the water when you're doing a PRV change or whatever, anything that involves water that you don't want the water to go on a PCB or on a carpet or whatever. This is the answer, and it's free. But you're going to have to be fast. Just go to mcdonaldplumbsupplies.com, get an order in for over £50 plus VAT, over £60. Please include a plumber's essential in your order and use the promo code funnel0826 when you get to checkout. If you do that, we'll include one of these in with your order, but please, please, please be fast. McDonaldplumbsupplies.com. Our mission is to increase plumbers' profits, and we'd love to get an order. Thank you.